Hey everybody, so what we're going to use to program the Parrot drones is we're going to use Tynker. So I'm going to click on Tynker, or tap on Tynker on the iPad. We are using the iPads to control these. So if you see these screens that come up when you start Tynker, all you need to do is just click the skip button up here in the top corner and then click the X, and you can until you get to this screen, which is the sign-in screen. We are not actually going to sign in to Tynker, so don't sign in, but what I am going to do is down here in the bottom corner, click on Projects. And then on the My Projects page, you'll see other projects that you've already created and saved. And you can open those back up and work on them. But what we're going to do is click on Create a New Project. And then from this Coding Projects page, we're going to create a new robotics controller. In here, we're going to select Mambo, and that's going to open up a stage with our Mambo drone on it. Now to get into edit mode, we're just going to click on the edit icon here. And it's going to start off with a default script on here just to make sure everything connects and works. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to power on your drone. So you can usually just do that by putting a battery in it, and that will usually turn it on. The lights will come on, they're yellow and it's flashing, and it'll take it a few seconds to connect. Once the drone is connected, you should see right here this light should turn green and the battery should show up. There you go, they just showed up. And now once that's connected, you're ready to run your program. So what you're going to do is click the play button down here in the bottom right hand corner. And then just tap on your drone. Once you tap on your drone, the drone's going to do whatever it's programmed to do. So there it goes, it's up and it's flying and it's going to do its thing. So once you're done and the drone has landed, you need to go back in and make an edit to your program. Just click the stop button down here, and that will take you back into edit mode, so then you can drag and drop and edit your program.